Directorate of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Government and Private Industrial Training Institutes. Bicholim Government ITI is among one of the 10 government ITIs overall state Goa. Trades offered at the Bicholim Government ITIs are as follows. Trade 1, COPA, duration 1 year, NSQF level 5. Programming assistant installs, maintains and updates computer programs by making minor changes and adjustments to them under the guidance of computing professionals. Trade 2, fitter, duration 2 years, NSQF level 5. Course contents: fitter general sizes metal parts to close tolerances and fits and assembles them using hand tools for production or repairs of machines. Trade 3, machinist, duration 2 years, NSQF level 5. Course contents: general machinist operator, various types of power driven metal cuttings or grinding machines for cutting and grinding metals. Trade 4, electrician, duration 2 years, NSQF level 5. Course contents: electrician general installs, maintains and repairs electrical machinery, equipment and fittings in factories, workshops, powerhouse, business and residential premises, etc. Trade 5, electronics mechanics, duration 2 years, NSQF level 5. Course content: electronics fitter general fits, assembles and repairs various kinds of electronic equipments in factory or workshop or at place of use. Trade 6, draftsman civil, duration 2 years, NSQF level 5. Course contents: draftsman civil prepares drawings of buildings, stores, highways, dams, culverts, etc. from sketches, notes or data for purposes of constructions or alterations. Trade 7, stenographer and secretarial assistant, duration 1 year, NSQF level 4. Course content: stenographer secretarial assistant takes dictation in shorthand and reproduces it on paper using computer and performs various other clerical duties to assist superiors. Trade 8, mechanic diesel, duration 1 year, NSQF level 4. Course contents: mechanic diesel can learn about diesel engine fundamentals and power generation. The trainees have to participate in hands-on work and begin repairing diesel engine vehicles, mechanic, diesel engine, oil engine, fitter repair services and overhauls diesel or oil engines for efficient performance as prime mover to drive machinery and equipment. Trade 9, welder, duration 1 year, NSQF level 4. Course content: welder fuses metal parts together using welding rod and oxygen acetylene flame. Examines parts to be welded, cleans portions to be joined, holds them together by some suitable device and if necessary makes narrow groove to direct flow of molten metal to strengthen joint. Trade 10, wireman, duration 2 years, NSQF level 4. Course content: wireman light and power installs various kinds of electrical wiring such as cleat, conduit, casing, concealed, etc. in houses, factories, workshops and other establishments for light and power supply. Trade 11, plumber, duration 1 year, NSQF level 4. Course content: plumber lays out, assembles, installs and maintains sanitary fitting and fixtures, sewage and drainage systems, heating and sanitary systems, gas and power water pipelines. Trade 12, sewing technology, duration 1 year, NSQF level 4. Skills acquired: this course is meant for the candidates who aspire to become sewing machine operator, assistant to designer, assistant worker in boutique, assistant to sample garment designer and assistant to garment sample coordinator. Trade 13, multimedia animation and special effects, duration 1 year, NSQF level 4. Course content: skills acquired: multimedia artist and animator are creative in special effects, animation or other visual images using film, video, computers or other electronic tools and media for use in products or creations. Trade 14, solar technician, duration 1 year, NSQF level 4. Solar panel installation technician is also known as panel installer. The solar panel installation technician is responsible for installing solar panels at the customer premises. Trade 15, garment and sales assistant, duration 1 year, NSQF level 3. Course content. After completion of this course, the trainee shall be able to know skills of fashion concepts, marketing research, supply chain and logistic, basic operating and functional behavior of consumers, product detailing, branding and labeling, thematic window display, product launching, folding casing presentation, maintaining the records of receipts, productions and deliveries, and also cash transactions.
Hi, my name is Nidhi Kolwalkar and I am student of Government ITI Bicholim. My trade is multimedia, animation and special effects. I was having interest in graphic designing and animation since I was a kid and I wanted to do my career in these streams. Once my friend told me that Bicholim ITI is about to start a new trade which is multimedia, animation and special effects. I took my admissions there. Once I got my admission, the experience I got in Government ITI was amazing. The teachers, the staff, the principal was so helpful.
Ms. Mathur, thank you so much for always being there for us and your iconic organization Siemens, and you have been a driving force for us from the time we met. I think we have been also making a lot of, a different type of perspective in terms of policy and implementation of policy in the state of Goa, for which I am very grateful to you, Mr. Mathur. And I would like to also say that Ms. Lakshmi Chatterjee has already mentioned about the whole program that is being undertaken. Dr. Rodney, then we have, most importantly, our Secretary Skill Development, who has been very supportive and cooperative in new initiatives that we are taking forward. Mr. Mahendra Vani, then we have Mr. David, and our Director of Skill Development, Mr. Deepak Desai. Actually, I am really very grateful and happy because as we all know that the stress that needs to be given is on a different type of education format, and I'm very happy that this Indo-German initiative of training and also this tie-up which is going to be led by Siemens, GIZ, India and our Government of Goa Skill Development is really going to play a different kind of role which will impact not only in terms of which was shown in which Madam Lakshmi Chatterjee already mentioned, Mr. Mathur mentioned, Dr. Rodney also mentioned, is a different type of approach to education.
Admissions have been started at Bicholim Government ITI through online mode and due copies of prospectus are on sale. Kindly visit the help desk at nearest ITIs for any further assistance to fill online application forms.